Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the super easy homemade whole wheat tortillas. These are the ingredients. In a large bowl, we start adding all of our dry ingredients. We have our wheat flour, we have all-purpose flour, we have our salt, and we have our baking powder. And with our clean hands, we start mixing all of these dry ingredients together. Okay, and then we're ready to add our oil. Preferable vegetable oil, but if you have canola oil, coconut oil, olive oil, it would work also, but preferably vegetable oil. We mix all of this with our clean hands, okay? Making sure our oil is combined very well with our dry ingredients. Okay, and now we're ready to start adding our warm water. We're going to be doing this slowly, okay? Keep adding water, guys. We're almost there. Our consistency is almost ready. And voila, guys, our dough is ready. This is how it should look, okay? Okay, now in a clean surface, we put our dough. We grab it like this and we start making balls, okay? Just like that, guys. See, there's a little ball. We start placing them into a bowl and we make as many as we can. We can make these smaller or a little bit larger. I made about 20 balls, so that means 20 tortillas. Okay guys, almost done right here with the 20 balls. Almost done. Okay, now we just cover them with a clean cloth and we rest them for 30 minutes. Okay, and now to the fun part. We get our roller. We add a little bit of all-purpose flour. We also put some on the clean surface. We grab a ball and we start just pinching around the sides, making a little circle just like that. Perfect. Okay, and then we put them down and we start rolling them. I found it easier if we do it up and down, and then you turn the tortilla and then up and down again, turn again, up and down, and then turn and up and down again, okay? Till you get kind of like a circle. Not perfect, but if you get it to be perfect, good for you. Now we heat up a pan. You don't add anything to it. No oil, no spray pan, no nothing. You put your tortilla in there, and for about 2 minutes on each side, what you want to get are these little bubbles that you see right here and brownish goldish color. Okay, and then you just turn it 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes on each side. Here there's more bubbles, as you can see. That would be perfect if you get bubbles, big, medium, small, because that means it's cooking on the inside. So our tortilla is almost ready. It smells delicious, guys. I wish you could be here. Perfect bubble here, guys. This is exactly what you want, okay, before you flip it. And this is how you make whole wheat tortillas, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, guys. Have a good day. Bye.